Mga mami, if gusto mo ng madaling pang snack maker na pwede rin pang small business, okay talaga itong mini electric waffle maker ng Chobby. Compact lang siya and super cute minimalist yung design kaya hindi siya bulky sa kitchen kahit maliit lang yung space mo, kasya siya. Non-stick yung plates niya so hindi dumidikit yung waffle at hindi nasisayang yung mixture, buo at maayos yung shape. Isaksak mo lang then hintayin uminit, may indicator lights para alam mo kung ready na siya. Once ready, ilagay mo yung butter and mixture, close the lid and after a few minutes, may golden crispy waffle ka na. Very presentable if ibebenta mo, plus madali linisin, wipe down lang after gamitin, then okay na. If pang negosyo naman, practical siya kasi mabilis yung cooking time. Pwede kang gumawa ng classic waffle, cheese, chocolate chips, or even waffle sandwich. You can offer it with syrup, condensed milk, or powdered sugar para mas mataas yung value and mas attractive sa buyers. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking space or malaking puhunan dito. Perfect siya pang starter sa mga mami na gusto ng extra income habang nasa bahay. So if hanap mo is simple, easy to use, and functional na waffle maker for snacks and small selling, you can check out this mini electric waffle maker ng Chobby. Practical choice talaga siya for everyday use.